Yeah, guys, it's gorgeous here for sure. It's muy tranquilo.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just...
And there's been real people who have died because of that, so we have to be very careful with these little guys back here. All right, guys, we're finally making our hike towards the lighthouse. As you can see, there's a lot of pretty trails here, and we're continuing our route. We've heard a lot of lizards. Eli, have you seen any lizards? Huh? What other kind of animals have you seen?
No more.
You didn't see any chickens?
No, yeah.
Ah, you did. All right, guys. Hopefully we get some wonderful views here in a minute so we can show you guys. But so far, so good. Here, Fajardo seems really family friendly. Seems like a good area, good community, real chill. But also, it seems lively to be a Friday night or, you know, Friday during the day. Puerto Rico does liven up during the weekends, of course, and what you'll find is that during the week a lot of things shut down. A lot of people who are business owners put a lot of emphasis on the things that they run on the weekend, and it's not uncommon for you to pull up somewhere and the store is closed during the week because everything goes towards the weekend. All the effort, all the energy, and yeah, here we go. You ready, buddy?
Yeah. Yeah.
A little guy back there. Yeah. What is he doing? Oh, look at this pretty. That's the beach right here. You got people way back here getting their swim on. And this is more like a private style area. If you want like more secluded, isolated.
Oh yeah, you do pay.
Oh, so you pay to come back here?
Yeah, that's what they said, but
Do we pay?
no, because we parked outside.
Oh, outside the gate. But I don't think.
People that pay to park here and stuff, they gotta leave by 4.
About 4. Got it. Awesome. Well, that's pretty cool. So yeah, guys, this is a perfect place if you're an athlete, you want to work on some fitness. You can run down here, run this whole trail for X amount of miles. They said it's an hour walk we're on right now, and it's about 3-4 o'clock, so we got to hit it. We'll probably be able to see the sunset. But here's the thing, if you come out here and exercise and run, you'll actually have an opportunity just to jump off the trail, go in there and get some beach, get some water, or get some ocean, get some vitamin C right there. You know what I mean? How y'all feeling, boys? Feeling good? Awesome. Eli, what'd you find? Let me see it. What is that, dude? What the? That's awesome. What is that?
A crab hand.
Oh, a crab hand.
Crab.
Pásame. Pásame.
A crab egg and a crab.
Oh, wow. There's a lot of little crab legs here. Dang, we don't even gotta go to Red Lobster tonight. We good. Zakai agree, or Manuel agrees with me. No Red Lobster tonight. Oh, we good to go. Guys, we decided to turn into this trail that gets us out of the crazy sun and a little bit away from the beach to see if we can find our way to this lake that actually has a bridge. So as you can see, we are on our way there's anything that crazy that happens, we'll let you know. We may come across some big iguanas. We may come across some crabs because we've seen holes in the ground that look like crab holes. So y'all stay tuned. But we're on a mission. I can hear water already. Can y'all hear that? Shh. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but we're gonna keep moving forward. If I can find the perfect coconut, I'm gonna crack it open so we can drink water because it is hot and we're running out. This is the only bottle between the 7 of us that we have. So pretty down out here though. Hey boo, what'd you say?
Maybe a tiger.
A dinosaur did this?
Oh, a dinosaur?
There's a big claw scratch mark.
Oh my.
I think it was a dinosaur.
No, a lion?
That could have been a dinosaur.
No, tiger. Yeah.
Whoa, it could have had a tiger back here. Well, in Puerto Rico, I don't know. But that looks legit. Hey, I just got 10 times more screwed out here, but we believe the Lord our God is with us wherever we go. Amen?
What about getting the dinosaur and eat us?
But we got Jesus. Forget a dinosaur. We got the God of the dinosaur who made him. Come on now. Ain't that right?
I want to go back.
You want to go back? No. We're going to continue to go strong and courageous. That's what adventure is all about. We can go together as a family and achieve and conquer and be strong.
Then I'm going to hit him with this.
Hit him with that, then. He hit him with it. Or we can hit him with that sword, which is the word of God. Come on now. Oh, that's a little bit stronger. Well, if he's strong enough to swing it, swing it. Ooh, you can throw that at him too. You remember the story?
Oh, I can throw this at him.
Okay. You remember the story of David? David and Goliath?
Yeah.
David threw that stone at Goliath and Goliath came crashing down. Because God was with Goliath. Our God was with David.
What about the yellow one?
And Goliath could not overcome. Hey guys, danger number 2. I'm standing right underneath it. Guess what it is? These things are deadly. Matter of fact, it happens more than you would ever imagine. Guess what? Coconuts every year fall from trees just like this, full of coconuts. And it hits people in the head. And there's been real people who have died because of that. So we have to be very careful with these little guys back here adventuring with us, our babies, right? These coconuts can fall at any moment, so we just got to be cautious. Whew, Boko dangerous. Here we go.
Whoa.
But this is what the Copeland's about. We're adventurers. Faith, family, and adventure. That's what this channel's all about.
Daddy, oh, I can hit him with this thing.
Look at all these coconuts on the ground, boys. You see why we got to keep our head on the swivel? Because coconuts fall all the time. All the time. So Zakai got tired and he slowed down a ton and we sort of lost track of him and he was over there crying, "Ah, daddy, daddy." So I had to run back, throw him on my shoulders, and now we're walking and trying to find mommy and the rest of the kiddos. They're pretty far ahead, but I think we're gaining ground. We're getting closer. Awesome, y'all. Highly encourage you, no matter where you are as a family, find sacred moments to disrupt your rhythms in your life so you can go into a sacred place of isolation with your family. Spend great time with it.
It's been closed since Hurricane Fiona.
Oh, wow. Guys, Baño Grande, so it's called Big Bath where we're at now. We'll show you some clips. And I remember we visited this area last time we came, but we were gonna go visit a huge waterfall, but it's been closed since Hurricane Fiona, so we're no longer going there. So we'll see.
I was hopelessly hoping for you to pull me back somewhere I don't belong without goodbyes. Made up my mind. It's all that matters really. As long as you stays crazy, shadows will guide us where we've never been before. Burn so I act like no one knows me, while backing with my eyelids closed.
Yeah, guys, it's gorgeous here for sure. It's muy tranquilo.
No! Mommy, it's so deep! I see the rocks under there. It's so deep.
Some rocks.
Yeah. That's so deep.
I gotta get the guy.
That's not deep for that. Regulated. It's a little deep. This is life. You like this place?
Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too long. Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too long. Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too long. Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too long. Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too long. Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too long. Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too long. Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too long. Don't think you're ready for me either.
We're gonna keep going up, buddy,
I
okay?
know you've been with her too long.
Mommy, just
No, we're gonna keep going up.
Don't think you're ready for me
Okay guys, so we
either.
currently are
I know you've been
at the Juan Diego waterfalls, and to get up there you gotta go through some rocky stairs, so that's what we're doing right now. I've never been to this trail personally, living here in Puerto Rico, but today we're gonna see what it looks like. They say it's pretty friendly. The kids can swim in it. It's like a 10-minute walk to get to the actual pool. So here we go.
I know you've been with her too long. Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too long. Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too long. Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too
Do you
long.
feel the rocks a little slippery?
Don't think you're ready for me
Just be
either.
careful with
I know you've been with her too long. Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too long. Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too long. Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too long. Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too long. Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too long.
All right, guys, so we're here at a whole nother part of the sort of Yunque here. We're actually here at a waterfall. It's not the one that we're actually looking for, but we did find one that seems to be really solid. So check this out. The water is pretty clear, you know. And I think one of the cool things is that you could just get here and chill and hear that amazing waterfall, majestic waterfall in the background. So I absolutely think it's definitely a gem for the family here.
Did we get off the shirt? You coming? Take your shoes off.
Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too long. Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too long. What if she told you?
Go ahead, buddy. You got it? Alright guys, we're trying to climb our way up top to the next sort of spot where there's a waterfall. Be praying for us. It's already really slippery. There you go, Zakai. Eso, excelente. One step at a time. Listen.
Look at my friend.
Hayden and Eli already.
It's slippery because it's muddy, of course, because of the rainforest and the rivers, but it's doable. So we just gotta follow these steps. Dale, papi.
I'm gonna win. I can win you, mommy. I can win you.
Always do these type of things with caution, especially when you have kiddos. Always assist them, even though they may feel confident. It's always good to be behind them and make sure that they are okay and that they're not in any harm. This way, Samuel, that's too high. That one, oh, help him. That's too high to climb, so we're gonna go this way.
It's too high.
Yeah. If my grandma were to be watching this video, she'd be freaking out right now. So, she probably will see this, but hopefully not. Oh, sorry. Samuel. Get Samuel.
Show me the good side. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all love. You know it is all love.
We're almost there, guys. I hear it.
We're making it.
Breathing out our whole living. Taking my time.
We made it, guys. So worth it. It always, everything that's beautiful is like doesn't come easy, and so like to everything there's gonna be a challenge and obstacles in the way and everything, but when you have faith and you put your all into it, you can get to these beautiful things and other beautiful things in life. We made it! We made it, okay? Is it beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah! Good job, Eve! Oh, you like this pool? Yeah?
No.
No? Okay.
Fine, yeah. I like it. Because
He changes his mind.
I want to go in there.
Okay.
Mommy, it's sliding under the water.
Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. You play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses
So this place is actually really incredible. I absolutely could put a tent next to this, similar to the place we were at in Medellin, Colombia. Like literally live here. Put a tent right next to this waterfall. It would be incredible. But check this out. Talk about natural water flow, like full purified sort of water coming from the top of the mountain is incredible. So really cool. See the kids right here. Eli, what's up, man? You having fun or no? Huh? You having fun? Zakai. You having fun, dude?
Yeah, it's beautiful. I like it. Yes. Man, it's awesome. I like it.
Love it.
It's cool.
It is cold. Wow, you guys are doing good. Hey, is the water hot or cold?
Cold.
In Spanish.
You know it is all love. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. You play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on.
Okay, that's cool. Did you get that? That's awesome.
All right, guys, so I'm getting a little bit close to this waterfall. Pretty incredible here. Wow, check that out. Wow, that is a lot of water. They said if you come out here, just make sure it's not a crazy rainy day because it gets really full, this waterfall, and it can be some pretty crazy sort of rivers that form out of this. Coming from the top of the mountain, it can get really crazy. They said, matter of fact, this can get full of water here and rush down the stream. And yeah. So just be safe. If it's a rainy day, you may want to think twice about coming to El Yunque. However, you know, this is its natural habitat to rain a lot. So therefore, if you sort of are out here and it starts raining, don't trip. I'm talking on the crazy rainy days where it's raining like one full day or more than 4 hours or something like that. But if it's like 30-minute spurts of rain, you're okay. You should be fine.
Show me the good sides. Always bring the spice and cover the faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather front porch sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies.